going on, YouTube? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. I hope all of y'all are having a great day. It's Thursday. As y'all know, tomorrow, Friday, we got mad releases dropping, y'all. It is going to be crazy, y'all. Drop a comment below. Let me know what y'all going after. If y'all hit on any of the sneaker apps, drop a comment. Let your boy know what y'all hit on and what y'all gonna be copping. We got a box in today from Stockx, y'all, and it's some fire flame. I might do a little bit of comparison for y'all just to show y'all a little bit of comparison today as well, because I actually have both of these shoes, but I didn't get them the way that they're coming today. So if y'all new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for your boy, DaRetroWizKid, and join your boy in the Sneaker Dungeon family. We are on that grind to 2,000 subscribers, y'all. Trying to hit that thing by January 1st. Go ahead, y'all. Let's try to get this video up to 30 likes, y'all. So smack, splat, whatever you want to do, that like button, and drop a comment below, and let me know what y'all think about this unboxing. Let's get it. Now, this unboxing today, y'all, is going to be brought to y'all by none other than my bro, B-Boy Lost Spin. And I'm going to post his Instagram right here for y'all. Y'all head over to Instagram, y'all follow my bro. So, let's get it. I ain't got no scissors or nothing, so I'm just going to open the box like this. It's too easy with Stockx, so. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh. Let's see, y'all. Let's see. Let's get this big box out of here. Okay. There we go. So, y'all, as y'all see, we got one of them Jordan boxes, y'all. Y'all remember when the packs used to come like this, y'all? And this pack is the AJ6 infrared pack thing, y'all. So I'm gonna sit this thing right here. You gotta be delicate and handle with care. You know what I'm saying? Let's pop this thing open. Woo-wee! Woo-wee! Even after all these years, smell test approved by your boy, DaRetroWizKid. Y'all, now this, you see we got the Stockx stuff in here, right? So, ooh, get this thing out of the box, yo. Ooh. Man, oh man. Oh man, goddamn. As y'all see, we got that shaded a little bit icy, but this is the first shoe, y'all. 6 in the bottom. This is the one I want to see. Now, I actually own this one, but it's been beat up. So, whew, look at that thing, boy. Even after all these years, yo, still, oh, smelling good, y'all. Smelling good, smelling great. Now, let's get the other one out of the box. So, we all know the infrared pack came in this nice little I guess, little Jordan type thing, and then on here it says, you know, yeah, some words. I'm not even gonna read that, y'all. That's besides the point. But man, so the reason why this unboxing is actually pretty dope, y'all, is because I'm gonna talk a little bit about this infrared pack, and I'm gonna just talk about how, you know, the infrared 6s are coming back out, y'all. Now, this is the infrared pack 6. I actually have the varsity 6, and I also have the infrared 6 that came out a couple years back. So I'm gonna pull out the infrared 6 that came out a couple years back. What to expect of the infrared 6s? I'm really hoping that they hit us with the infrared 6s that came out, you know, years ago, many years ago in this pack, because the nubuck suede on these is just phenomenal, y'all. I really like the way that these look. I'm actually going, you know what? Let's go ahead. Let's check them out in different. What I'm saying is, I'm really hoping that the infrared 6s come out in the way that they came out with when they came out in the pack. The nice nubuck on these is very, very nice compared to how they did it with the newer pair that they dropped. The newer pair, as you see, it has a different type of texture to it. It's not really, I don't know whether to call that nubuck or suede or whatever you want to call it, but they're different. they're very different. And I didn't really like how, if you really look closely, you can see that the infrareds are, there's tad bit off, if you ask me. Just a tad bit different. The newer one is a little bit more like a salmon pinkish looking color to me, and this one is more of an infrared, to be honest. It has more of a red type look to it. Now let me know what you guys are thinking about the upcoming release of the 2019 infrared 6s. Is it time for them to come back? Do you feel like they're coming back too early? Do you feel like Jordan Brand needs to take a break on releasing shoes back to back because he's producing the same shoe over and over? Which is I mean, come on, y'all. We know that that's what JB's gonna do. He's gonna keep dropping the same shoes because people are gonna keep buying them, and he's gonna change them up just a little bit. But just giving these a side by side, you all let me know. Do you guys like the way that they came out in the pack, or do you like the way that they released couple years back? Now, me personally, like I already said, I like the way that they look like this. I like them with this nubuck. This nubuck is just phenomenal, y'all. I really like this nubuck on these, and this is just like, I don't even know what to call this, y'all. I really don't. It's not nubuck. It's that new material, not that classic nubuck that they used to put on the J's. So, you know, maybe Jordan Brand needs to reevaluate that and give us, you know what I'm saying, this over this, you know, but let us know. So y'all let me know which pair did it best. Do you guys like the most recent release that we got of the infrared 6s with that kind of salmon hot looking pinkish reddish color, or do you guys like the way the actual infrared pack came out when they dropped the infrared pack? So I'm gonna go with this. I'm hoping this is what we get. Hope we get, you know, we're gonna get that Nike Air stamp on the back with this nice nubuck, the classic nubuck, not the newer nubuck that they use on the shoes. And hey, that'll be fuego, you know what I'm saying? So y'all let your boy know if y'all gonna be picking these up next year in 2019. My expectations, you already know, it's the same. It's gonna be the same all the way around. Only big differences is they're gonna hit there with that Nike Air on the back and give us this nubuck. I'm hoping, not this nubuck. Now if they do this and they give us this type of infrared on this shoe with this type of nubuck material, Jordan Brand, y'all are taking an L for that. You guys need to just keep it like the original infrared pack. Hit us with that Nike Air on the back. Everything will be fuego. It's your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. We on that grind to 2K. Appreciate all the love and support, y'all. Follow your boy on Instagram at the Retro Wiz Kid, posting them pictures for y'all. Follow your boy on Twitter at Wiz_retro. And I'm gonna spin some pictures for y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Y'all know what time it is tomorrow. We probably gonna vlog picking up some kicks. I'm hoping I can vlog. I gotta work tomorrow, but hopefully if I do get off work early, I'll be vlogging, picking up some kicks, and y'all gonna see what I'm trying to pick up tomorrow. And hopefully, you know what I'm saying, everybody hits on what they want to get, and gang gang. Get it!